Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate amazing AI images using reference picture in Whisk AI. This tool is simple, fast, and perfect for creating professional looking images without needing advanced editing skills. So let's get started. First, just open your browser and then type Whisk AI, and then just go to the official website. And once tool loads, you will see the interface is really clean and beginner friendly like this. Everything is organized and so you won't get lost. And now here's the fun part. We say I let you upload three types of the reference, but first you must tap on add image like this, and then you can upload three types of reference images like this, like subjects for the main person or objects, and then there are scenes for the environment and background, and then styles or artistics or photo styles that you want. So just let's upload our reference. And okay, like this. Next we need to guide the AI with a clear prompt. So just type a prompt that details, more better results. For example like this, and with this way the AI will understand not just what to generate but also how it should look. And when you're done, just tap on and then just choose the ratio that you want, and then when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, with AI will process the references and your prompt and then create a brand new image that blends everything together like this. And in just a few moments you will get a cool high quality result like this. And okay, that's it. You have just learned how to generate AI images using reference in Wix AI. Super easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.